Good evening, everyone, students. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology Free Coaching for Nmmss Exam 2025. So today we are going to discuss linear equations from maths. So before that, I have a small announcement that tomorrow you have a mock test. Okay, mock test ఉంటుంది రేపు లింక్ అనేది గ్రూప్ లో షేర్ చేస్తాము. సో మేక్ ష్యూర్ దట్ యు ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ ద గ్రూప్ లో ఉన్నారా లేదా చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఒకవేళ ఎవరైనా గ్రూప్ లో లేకపోతే 7337285228 నంబర్ కి వాట్సాప్ లో మీ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ మెన్షన్ చేస్తే మేము ఆ గ్రూప్ లింక్ పంపిస్తాము. అండ్ ఫస్ట్ గ్రూప్ లో ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళు అందులో నుంచి లీవ్ అయ్యి కొత్త గ్రూప్స్ లైక్ మీ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ గ్రూప్స్ కి ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ మీరు ఆసిఫాబాద్ అయితే ఆసిఫాబాద్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ కి సంబంధించిన గ్రూప్ లో జాయిన్ అవ్వాలి. ఆదిలాబాద్ అయితే ఆదిలాబాద్ కి సంబంధించిన గ్రూప్ లో జాయిన్ అవ్వాలి. ఓకే, సో మీకు ఆ గ్రూప్ లింక్స్ కావాలి అని అంటే 7337285228 నంబర్ కి వాట్సాప్ లో మీ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ మెన్షన్ చేయండి. 7337285228 నంబర్ కి చాట్ సెక్షన్ లో పెట్టాను. యూ కెన్ నోట్ డౌన్ ది నంబర్ 7337285228 నంబర్ కి మీరు వాట్సాప్ లో మీ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ని మెన్షన్ చేస్తే ఆ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ కి సంబంధించిన లింక్ షేర్ చేస్తాము. సో యూ కెన్ జాయిన్ ఇన్ దట్ గ్రూప్. ఓకే, అండ్ టుమారో యూ హ్యావ్ మాక్ టెస్ట్. ఐఎమ్ రిమైండింగ్ యూ వన్స్ అగైన్, రేపు మాక్ టెస్ట్ ఉంటుంది. సో దానికి సంబంధించిన లింక్ వచ్చేసి మీకు వాట్సాప్ లో వస్తుంది. దానికి సంబంధించిన లింక్ మీకు వాట్సాప్ లో వస్తుంది. ఓకే, so now I hand over class to Gayatri ma'am.
Yes, very good evening, ma'am. Very good evening, students. Hope you all are doing very well. And today we are going to see a very interesting chapter, the continuation of yesterday's topic. So yesterday we did simple problems relating to linear equations, right? So today we will do the extension of that. That is the next part of it. So fine, let's move on to the first question. Here we have the first question. Y minus 4 by 11 is equal to y plus 3. So now we need to find the value of y. All right? Yes. So being the first sum, I'll do it for you and I'll check the answers. Okay. Yes. Now see here. Y minus 4 by 11 is equal to y plus 3. Y minus 4, just cross multiply. We will get 11 into y plus 3. So y minus 4 is equal to 11y plus 33. Bring all the y to one side. So y, and when this plus 11y goes to the other side, it becomes minus 11y. And when this minus 4 goes to the other side, it becomes plus 4. Right? So 1 minus 11 y will become 37 by 10. Okay. Got my internet. Y minus 4. Okay, 11 minus 1 minus 10, correct. Right. So y, we will get it as 3.7. So we are getting it in decimal. Okay. Right. See here. There's a mistake in the question. That's why we are not able to get the answer. All right, students. So if this is a question, y minus 4, then we will get the value of y as 3.7. All right. Yes. So now supposing if the question is y minus 6. All right. So if it is y minus 6, then see how it has to be proceeded. Y minus 6 is equal to 11 into y plus 3. So y minus 7 is equal to 11y plus 33. And again, this should be 7 only. Okay. All right. So bringing all the numerals and the variables to one side, we get 10y is 40. So y is minus 4. All right. Yes. Right. So next sum is this. 4x minus 1 by 5 is equal to x plus 5 by 3. So from this sum, we will also learn how to do the checking of your problem. Okay. So whether your problem is right or whether your problem is wrong, you can yourself do the checking. In this sum, after finding the value of x, we will see. All right. Yes. Now let's see the answer here. We have 4x minus 1 by 5 is equal to x plus 5 by 3. So let's cross multiply. So what happens when you cross multiply? You get 3 into 4x minus 1 is equal to 5 into x plus 5. All right. And see the next step, we have 4 into 3, 12x minus 3 is equal to 5 into x, 5x plus 25. Bringing all the x to one side and all the variables to the other side. When this plus x comes to the other side, you will get it as minus 5x. When this plus 5x comes to beyond the equal to, we will get minus 5x. All right. So 12 minus 5x is equal to 25. When this minus 3 goes to the other side, it becomes plus 3. Right. So 7x is 28, x is 4. Okay. Good. I have a lot of answers on the way. Right. So I have Mani Teja who has given me the correct answers. I have Navadeep, then Arun Kumar, then I have 15 Pro Max. Change your phone mobile name to your name so that I can read out your name so that you will also know whether your answer is right. Tejashwini, Pooja, Spurti, Varun, Raghu, Vardhan. Then I have Shrestha. Then I have Sahasra, Arun Kumar, Kirtana, then Sai, Manvit, right? Yes, Sai, Manvit, Rishwit. Then I have Navadeep, Veda, Varshitha. Then I have one mobile name, Xiaomi2411. Please change your mobile name to your number, to your name. Shubham, I have Purvi. All right, so many more is many times. So if I don't read that student's name, then next time he will send me like this. Yeah, what is that student's name? Yeah, yeah. I have Sai Rishwit. Sai Rishwit, write your answer only once. Karthik, then I have Sumaya Fatima. All right, good students. Fine. So how do you do the checking in this? See the checking. You can always do the checking. Now you just have to, put the value of 4 in both the equations. So 4 into x is 4 minus 1 by 5. Right? Let's see whether your left hand side answer is same as right hand side answer. Right hand side you have x plus 5. So 4 plus 5 by 3. So 4 4s are 16 minus 1 is 15 by 5. 5 plus 4 is 9 by 3. So if you cancel 5 and 15, 5 3s are 15. 3 3s are 9. See, your left hand side and your right hand side are same. So what does it mean? Your value of x is 4. So you are correct. All right. So each and every sum, it's not possible for us to do the checking, students, but you can do the checking when it comes to the examination. All right. Yes, good. Now let's move on to the next question. Here I have Shubham, I have Harshit, I have Lokesh. Okay. Then I have Vignesh. Okay. right? See the next question, 10x plus 20 by 5 is equal to 2x plus 8 by 3. Okay. So now you need to find the value of x. I'm giving you full 2 minutes. All right. So quickly give me your answer. Your options are 1, -1, -10, 20. Okay. So 1, -1, -10, 20. Okay. Your time is running. Your time is running. Let's see. Okay. So let's see what is the answer before we see how many of you have given me the right answer. Okay. Right. So here it says -1. And let me see how many of you have given me option B. Yes, Sai Manvit has given me -1. Reddy, Raghuvardhan, Shanmuga Priya. Check your answers. I have Nahida Naz. Okay, please check your answer. Then I have Navadeep Kirtana, Sai Manvit. Okay, then I have Rishwit Kirtana, Sumaya Fatima. Your answer is right. Okay. Then I have Karthik Mahidhar Spandana. Okay. Sahasra. All right. So I have Tushar, Sumaya again, Shubham. All right. Many more students have given me the correct answers. Let's see how your answer is option B. See here, students, we have 10x plus 20 by 5 is equal to 2x plus 8 by 3. I'm cross multiplying, bringing the 3 to your numerator on the other side. So 3 into 10x plus 20, okay, is equal to 5 into 2x plus 8. Next, when I multiply 3 into 10x, I get 30x plus 60 is equal to 10x plus 40. So 30x, bringing all the x to one side, all the numerals to the other side. Okay, so 30 minus 10, I get it as 20x is equal to -20. So x is -1. Okay, so if you do the checking, definitely your answers on both the sides will tally. All right, now let's move on to the next sum. 12x plus 7 by 5 is equal to 8x plus 1 by 3. So now you need to find the value of x. Quickly do it and give your answers in the chat box. The chat box is meant to be, to share the answers. It is not meant for chatting, students. Okay. So don't say hi to any of your friends. To all your friends, Nenu Cheptanu, hi. Hi to all. Everybody has said hi to everyone. All right. So just 2 minutes I'm giving you. Let me see whether how many of you are going to give me the answers. All right. Okay. All right. Fine. So let's see the answer for this. Okay. So I think this has to be worked out. All right. Let's work it out. 3 into 12x plus 7 is equal to 5 into 8x plus 1. Okay. So now let's multiply 3 into 12x. 12 3s are 36. X plus 21 is equal to 5 8s are 40x plus 5. Now bring all the x to one side. 30x minus 40x is equal to 5. When this plus 21 goes to the other side, it becomes minus 21. So it becomes minus 4x is equal to 16. Minus 16. So minus minus gets cancelled. 4x is equal to 16. So x is equal to 16 divided by 4, which is 4. Therefore, the value of your x is 4. Okay. So only for this sum, I will do the checking and let you know. You have 12x plus 7 by 5 is equal to 8x plus 1 by 3. Now let's substitute the value of x 4 into this. So 12 fours are 48 plus 7 by 5 is equal to 32 plus 1 by 3. So it becomes 45. It becomes 55, right? By 5 is equal to 33 by 3. So 5 11s are 55, 3 11s are 33. Therefore, your both the sides, left hand side and your right hand side is same. So our answer for x is 4 is 100% correct. All right, now let's quickly see how many. Oh my God, many have given me the right answers. Rishikesh, Mamta, Karthik, Navadeep, Arun Kumar. Then I have Navadeep. I think students, you're enjoying if questions are given like this. So many are giving me excellent answers. Karthik again, Raghuvardhan, you give me your answer once, that's enough. Badugu Sahasra, Badugu Sahasra, why so many fours? So the answer is not 4, it is, it is not so many 4, it is 1 4. Rishikesh, I have Shubham, Rishwit, Sai, Manvik. Sai, Manvit, Shalini, Saket. Saket, only now I'm reading your name. My God, it's literally pouring. I'm not able to read all your names. Lokesh Sagar, Realme C112021. Please change your mobile name to your name. Mahidar. Then I have Nalla Sai Rishwit, Mani Teja. All right. So many more given me an excellent answer of 4. Good. With this, we are moving on to the next question. Good students. So for this also, I'm getting the answer. I'm trying to get the answer from you. Let me also solve it so that you can also solve it on one end and give me the answer. Let's see who's fast. I'm sure you are only going to be very fast than me, right? Okay. So let me multiply. 7 threes are 21p plus 8 threes are 24. 5 6 are 30p plus 5 eights are 40. All right, so let me bring all p's to one side so that we will have p's in our sums. So 40, when this plus 24 comes to the other side, it becomes minus 24. So 30 minus 21 is 9p, that is minus 9p. Where here you get 6, then 3 minus 2 is 1. All right, it should be right. Let's see, 21. 10 minus 1 is 9. Correct. So, is it so? I'll never get it in decimal. Let's quickly check any mistakes has been done. 7 threes are 21. 8 threes are 24. I have 5 6 are 30. 5 eights are 40. Right. So 21p minus 30 minus 1 is 9. Correct. So minus 9p is 10 minus 4 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. All right. So the value of p is minus 16 by 9. So 24. Right. So it should be minus 16 by 9. Let's see how many of you are giving me the answer. I have the older answer only I'm getting now. The new answers are yet to come. Yes. I have this Badugu, Tejaswini. minus 16 by 9. Amita has given me the right answer. Spooty has given me the right answer. Arun Kumar, your 16 by 9, it should be minus 16. Okay. Sumaya, you're right. Shalini, minus 16 by 9. You've written plus 16 by 9. Shubham, it should be minus 16 by 9. Sai Manvit, you've given me decimal. This is fraction. Decimal is not required. Sumaya, you're right. Maulya, you're right. So many more. Fatima, Shanmugapriya, Saket, minus is missing. Shalini, minus is missing. Shashank, you're right. I have Veda Vakshita. Purvi, then I have Akshara, Mani Teja, Saket, many more has given me the right answers. Sumaya, Fatima, Rishwit, yes. Now you all have changed your answers and given me the right answers. Good students, excellent. Because as an educator, we ourselves check our answers once if it is going to come in fraction. So even you have to check your answer if it comes in negative and fractions once again. All right. Yes. With this, let's move on to the next question. Right. So the next part of your question is we are going to do word problems. Okay. So very interesting is word problems. See, here the first problem goes like this. A number exceeds half of 96 by 10. Find the number. Okay. So one number, what number we don't know, that we need to find out. That is exceeding. Exceeding means it is more than. Okay. It is exceeding half of 96. Right. So now how do we solve? Okay. So it means exceeds means more than. So number exceeds half of 96 by 10, which means 10. So it means the number is 48 plus 10, which means 58. Is it clear? So hope you have understood this. So how many felt it is difficult? Now put it in the chat box, students. Is it difficult or easy, or can you solve it? Just give me your comments. Nobody? Why nobody? Okay. Many are giving me. Kirtana says it is easy. Then Shashank says it is me, ma'am. Then I have Sanjay says it's easy. Good. Pavitra says it is easy. I did not understand. Please explain. Yeah, I will explain. Prerna. Cheptanu Nenu. Ma'am, can you please explain again? Purvi, I will explain. Sumaya says it's easy. Okay, good. Medium. Vignesh says medium. Safer answer, right? Raghu, Aisha says easy. Fatima says easy. Many more. Navdeep is saying it's easy. Very easy. Oh, good. Good students. Okay, see the question. A number is exceeding half of 96. So let that number be x. Okay. So what is that x? It is exceeds half of 96 by 10. That's the answer. Exceeds means what? More than. So what is half of 96? 48. So what is the value of x? It is 48 plus 10, which is 58. That is only answer. So we have taken the x to be the number. All right. Yes, good. Now let's move on to the, yes, in this itself you have a easy method. See here, half of a number is half into number. So half of 60 is half into 60, 30. Half of 130 is half into 130, 65. Half of 192 is half into 192, 96. Half of a number is half into number. Half of 82 is half into 82, that is 41. Half of 820 is half into 820, that is 410. Like that. Half of 8,200 is half of 8,200 is 4,100. So 1/4 of a number is 1/4 into number. 1/4 of 48 is 1 by 4 into 48, that is 12. 1/4 of 68 is 1 by 4 into 68, which is 17. 1/4 of 116 becomes 29, right? So 1/4 of a number is 1 by 4 into number. 1/4 of 100 is 1 by 4 into 100, which is 25. Like that. 1/4 of 500 is 1 by 4 into 500, which is 125. 1/4 of 700 is 1 by 4 into 700, which is 175. So 1/4 of a number is 1 by 4 into number. That is 1 by 4 into 44, which is 11. 1/4 of 440 is 1 by 4 into 440, which is 110. 1/4 of 4400 is 1 by 4 into 4400, which is 1100. So like that, you have 1/8 of a number, which is 1 by 8 into number. 1/8 of 96 is 1 by 8 into 96. Enti ochindi 12. Likewise, 1/8 of 960 is 1 by 8 into 960, which is 120. So 1/8 of 9600 is 1 by 8 into 9600, which is 1200. 1/3 of a number is 1 by 3 into number. 1/3 of 45 is 1 by 3 into 45, which is 15. 1/3 of 450 is 450 into 1 by 3, which is 150. Right? Like that. 1/3 of 4500 is 1 by 3 into 4500, which is 1500. Right. Now see here. The next question is this. Now, by now you must have understood, isn't it, students? What is 1/3? What is 1/4? What is 1/8? And all that. Right? Yes. So, a number is 40, more than half of 72. Find the number. Okay. Now, before I go on to the working part, I want to see how many of you are giving me the correct answer. Let me see how many are giving me the right answers. Quickly work it out. I'm giving you full 2 minutes to work out and give your answers in the chat box, students. Yes, quick, work it out quickly. I think I'm getting the answers. Let me see. Yes. By this time, I'm sure you would have done it. Let's see the answer. And then I'll check the students who have got correct. Okay. Right. Now, what is half of 72? Half of 72 is 36. And 40 more than half of 72 means what? 40 plus 36. So, half of 72 is 36. 40 more than half of 72 means what? It is 40 plus 36. So it becomes 76. So the number is 76. Okay. All right. Now I'm seeing how many of you have given me 76. Yes, I have Navadeep, Badugu Sahasra, Purvi. Many have given me. Mamta, Sai Manvit, Raghu, Navadeep, Sumaya, Fatima. I have Vaishnavi, Sai, Veda Varshita. Okay. Then I have Nikhil. Then I have Navadeep, Sai Manvit, Raghuvardhan. Shubham, many more, many are giving me the right answers. Good students, good. Right. So I have Bantu, I have Nikhil, I have Maulya, Rishikesh, then Mani Teja. All right. So Ritvik, Rishikesh. Yes. Sumaya, Shubham. All right. Good students. Very good. Very nice that you all have given me the right answers. Good. With the same spirit, let's move on to the next question. Right. So here we have a number is 32, more than half of 32. Okay. So let me quickly get the answers from you. 2 minutes time before we see the answers. Don't take more than 2 minutes. Okay, your 2 minutes is done. Let's see. Half of 32 is 16. Okay, so 32 more than half of 16 ante enti. So half of 16 is half of 32 is 16. So 32 more than half of enti. 32 plus 32. Right, 32 plus half of 32, that is 32 plus 16 is 48. So the number is 48. Now I think I have to, I'm sure all of you would have given me the right answers. Yes, you are. I have Akhil, Ritvik, then I have Shubham, Sai, Manvit, Soumya, then Purvi, then I have Vignesh, Mani Teja, Raghuvardhan. Many are giving me the right answer, students. Good that you all have understood. And with this, let's move on to the next question. Okay. A number is 18, less than half of 68. So in the earlier sum, we saw more. More ante, what did we do? We added. ఇప్పుడు లెస్ అంటే ఏంటి చేయాలి? సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసి ఏంటి నంబర్ we have to find out. Okay. All right. Now 2 minutes time is given to you all. Quickly do it. Let's see how many of you are coming out with correct answers. Anyway, we are going to discuss the answer. Let's see the answer after a minute. You're almost okay. Right. So let me repeat the sum. A number is 18 less than half of 68. Find the number. Number enti. Okay. Let's see the answer before I see the student's name. Now what is half of 68? 68 lo half enti. 34 ochindi. Right. So in that 18 less than half of 68. So 68 lo 18 minus cheyali. Okay. So what you get? 68 minus 18 is 50. So the number is 50. Let's see how many of you have given me 50. Akhil, why? Akhil, no, it is wrong. Wait, let me scroll down and see how many of you have given me the right answers. Okay, I think for the earlier sum you have given, right? Now for this sum, let's see. Yeah, yes, I have Spilly Akil. It's not 51, it's 50. Maulya, you're right. Mokshita, you're right. Next, Shravani, you're right. Pavitra, then Aisha, Karthik, um, Sahana. Sahana, you didn't understand. I will explain again. I have Navadeep, Sai, Chandana, then Vignesh, Kirtana, Vaishnavi. Somebody gave me the wrong answer. Who's that? Nikhil, check your answer. Then Sai, Manvit. The same names are coming. Students, once you give your name, don't give it again. Sripati, you're right. Swastik, you're right. Saket, Shubham. Then I have Prerna. I have Swastik. Then I have Rishikesh, Veda Varshita. Okay. Then Bantu, Sanjay Sagar, Sumaya. All right, all right. So many of you have given me 50 as answer. Very good, students. Let me repeat. You're taking a number. Let's say X. It is 18 less than half of 68. So he says half of 68 minus 18. So 18 less than means 18 must come second place. Okay. So half of 68 low 18 subtract cheyali. That is what your question says. So half of 68 is 30. 18 less than half of 68. So 34. Right? 18 less than half of 68. Okay. So 34. Okay. So students' answer given here is wrong. 68, 34, right? So 18 less than um, half of 68 means what? 34 minus 18, isn't it? Yes, so 34 minus 18. So what is 34 minus 18? It should be 26. I think it should be 18 more than half of 68. So here by mistake it is less. It should be more. Okay, like the earlier sum. Earlier sum we had more, right? Yes. So here also it should be more. Okay. In that case, your answer will be 50. So if it is less, you should minus. If it is more, you should add. Okay. Right. Now in this sum, we have a number is 20, less than half of 82. Now let's see the answer for this. Half of 82 is 41. So 20 less than half of 82 means what? 41 minus 20. So you get the answer as 21. Okay. So in the earlier sum, there was a typing error. It shouldn't be less, it should be more. If it is less means your answer is different. Okay. All right. So the small corrections can be made by us. Right now, let's see the next question. We have a number is 20 less than one third of 108. Right. So find the number. Right. So I'm giving you just quickly 2 minutes. You can do the sum and come back with the answers in the chat box. Give me the answer for this. A number is 20 less than one third of 108. So what is one third of 108? That you find out. Then that minus 20. Okay. That's all. I've told you the answer. You can do it and give me the answer and do it very fast. So waiting for your answer, students. Okay, so let's quickly see the answer. What is 1/3 of 108? It is 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, 36. So 20 less than 36. So 20 less than 36 ante enti? From 36, 20 subtract cheyali. Okay. So 36 minus 20 will give you 16. Therefore, the number is 16. Okay, let's see how many of you have given 16. I'm seeing the names here. 1 second. Yeah. So I have same Navadeep, Prerna, the names whom I did not read out, who have given me the answers. Fauzia Begum, this is the first time I'm reading your name. Purvi, Saket, Ritvik, Navadeep, Aisha, Vedavarshita, Nikhil. Bantu has given me 166. Bantu, change your answer by mistake. You have typed 16. Right. Sai Manmit, Lokesh Sagar, Ritvik, Sanjay, Shripati, Sahasra, Navadeep, Saket. Very good, very good. Many of you have given me the right answer, students. Good that you all are able to do the sums so quickly and give me the answers. Good. Now let's move on to the next sum here. Your next sum says a number is 30 less than double of 48. So now what is the answer, right? So I'm giving you 2 minutes, not more than that. Quickly work out the sum and give me the answer. A number is 30 less than double of 48. Okay, right? So quickly, your 2 minutes has started. Give your answers fast. Okay. So let's see. What is double of 48? Double of 48 ante enti? 2 into 48. Right? So twice of 48. In other words, 2 into 48 or twice of 48 or whatever. So 2 into 48, answer enti ochindi 96. Okay. So 30 less than 96 means 96 minus 30 is 66. That's all. Your number is the 66. Let's see how many of you have dropped. Navadeep. I have Mokshita. Okay. Right. I have Ravik. Tushar. Sahasra. Saket. Arun Kumar. Sai Manvit. New names Bantu. I'm Rishika. I'm reading Mani Teja. Those names whom I have not read at all. Okay. Urvika. I have Veda. Lokesh Sagar. Lokesh Sagar, I think only now I'm reading your name. Swasrik. Shripati. Kartik. Saket. Prerana. I have Purvi. Then Sai Tanveer. Sai Tanveer only now Rishikesh. Many more has given me the correct answers. Good students. Now with this, let's move on to the next question. We have a number exceeds half of 26 by 6. Find the number. Okay. A number exceeds half of 26 by 6. So what is half of 26 that you see? That is 13. Okay. Now let's see the answer for this. Half of 26 is half into 26 means 13. So number exceeds 13 by 6 means 13 plus 6. Exceeds means more than. Okay. So if we have seen students saying you have exceeded the limit, means what? Whatever is the limit, you have got more than that. You have exceeded the limit. So it is plus. So it is 19. 13 plus 6, 19. So the number is 19. Let's see and check the answers for the next question. A number exceeds half of one third of 60. A number exceeds half of one third of 60 by 7. Find the number. Yes. Quickly. So you should do half, then you should do one third also. Okay, students? So hope you would have understood. Okay. So half of one third of 60. So you should do one third and 1 by 2 also. Let's see the answer. Half of one third of 60 ante enti one third and 1 by 3. One third and 1 by 2 cheyali. Okay. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into 60 will give us 10. Okay. So exceeds ante enti addition. Right. So 10 plus 7, which is 17. So the number is 17. Let me see how many of you have given me the right answers. Yes. I have Purvi, Navadeep, Maulya. I think only now I'm reading Maulya's name. Akshara, Tushar, Ritvik, Rishikesh. I have Ritvik Gaud separately. Then Badugu Sahasra, Sanjay Sagar, Lokesh, Rishikesh, Aisha, Arun Kumar. All right. So many more has given me the right answer, students. Good. Right. I have Sumaya. Many more has given me good. Right. Now let's move on to the next question. Here we have a number exceeds half of itself by 12. See, see the question. A number exceeds half of itself. Itself means that number itself. So we don't know what is half. I mean, we don't know what is that number. So here you have to assume, let the number be x. So what is half of x? It is x by 2, right? So a number exceeds half of itself by 12. So it is x by 2. It is exceeds. Okay. So a number exceeds half of itself by 12, right? So what do you mean by exceed? It should be again plus, right? So it cannot be, okay, so they've taken equal to 12, right? So a number exceeds half of itself by 12. So what is half of the number x? Half of x is x by 2. So x minus x by 2 is 12, correct? So now we take LCM for this. So we get 2. So 2 into x, 2x minus x is 12, right? So 2x minus x is x by 2. Okay. Right. So this is not like the last sum that we did. When we say the number exceeds half of itself by 12 means what? So that number minus half of that number. Okay. So please, we should try to understand this. Exceeds half of itself means that this number minus half of that number. Okay. By 12. So equal to 12. So when you take LCM, you get x by 2 is 12. So whereby x is 24. Okay. Right. Now see the next sum we have. For this sum, we will see how many of you are giving me the correct answers. Okay. So a number exceeds 1/3 of itself by 16. Find the number. Right. So here also you will assume let the number be x. Right. Okay. So let me give you the answer for this also. Here also you will assume the number to be x. So what is 1/3 of the number? X by 3. So a number exceeds 1/3 of itself means what? X minus x by 3 is 16. If you take LCM, you get 3x minus x by 3 is 16. 2x by 3 is 16. Therefore, x is equal to 16 into, when this number goes to the other side, then the numerator and the denominator changes, isn't it? So it becomes 3 by 2. So whereby you get the answer for x is 24. Okay. Good students. Now let's do the next sum. A number exceeds 2/5 of itself by 30. Okay. So let's do the sum. Let the number be x. Okay. So we say that 2/5 of itself. So 2 by 5th of the number means what? It is 2 by 5 into x. Okay. Right. So a number exceeds, this is 2/5 of itself means what? X minus 2x by 5. That gives 30. So a number exceeds 2/5 of itself. So 2/5 of this number, which is 30. Right? So find the number. Now let's take LCM. 5 into x is 5x minus 2x by 5 is 30. Okay. 3x by 5 is 30. So 3x is equal to, just cross multiply, we get 5 3s are 15, 150. X is 150 by 3, which implies x is 50. 3 5s are 15, so x becomes 50. Okay, right. So all right, so let's see how many of you have given me the answer. So let me repeat this question. A number exceeds 2/5 of itself. So we are assuming the number to be x. So 2/5 of x is 2 by 5 into x, or 2x by 5, right? So when it exceeds, so x minus 2x by 5 is 30. So here we are taking LCM. So 5 into x is 5x minus 2x is 5x minus 2x by 5 equal to 30. So 5x minus 2x is 3x by 5 is 30. So when we cross multiply, we get 3x is equal to 30 into 5, which is 150. So x is 150 by 3, which gives x is equal to 50. Okay. All right. Now let me check how many of you have given me the right answer. Okay, right. So here goes. I have Maulya, Sumaya Fatima. Then I have EIEU Digit Akshara. Then Arun Kumar, Sumaya, Yasser. I think this is the first time I'm reading Yasser's name. Mani Teja. Then Indu also first time. Swasrik, Purvi, Mokshita. I think Mokshita, only now I'm reading your name, right? Yeah. So I have Nalla, then Navadeep, then I have Ishika, Nikhil, Swasrik, Purvi, okay, Bhavya, Ritvik, Sumaya, right? Then I have many more. Sanjeev Sagar, Lokesh, Srinitya, Saket, Srinitya, again Rishika, Karthik, yeah, Swasrik, Lokesh Sagar, yes, Nikhil Neta, Nagendra, give your answers properly. Then I have Sahasra. All right, so many more has given me the right answer, students. Good. So keep, giving me the correct answers. And Afra has also given me Sanjay Sagar, Shubham. All right, so many more has given me the right answers. Good students. So it's good that you all you all are keeping up your spirit. So do not forget to write to us for any queries or any suggestions or any questions that you need to, you have any doubts, you can always get back to us. And do not skip your tests. Your tests are very important. That will help you to know where you stand. And that shows the confidence that we have towards the subject. All right. So thank you so much for your attention. Over to you, Chandrika ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So students, as I have said before, రేపు మాక్ టెస్ట్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తాము. దానికి లింక్ మీకు గ్రూప్ లో వస్తుంది. ఎవరైతే మీ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ గ్రూప్స్ లో లేరో యూ కెన్ మెసేజ్ యువర్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ టు 7337285228 number. You can message to 7337285228. Madam, can you write the number on the screen? Gayatri ma'am?
Yes, I can write. One second.
Okay.
1 second.
733.
Yeah, 1 second.
Yeah.
In chat box, right? Yeah.
No, on the screen, ma'am. You are presenting, ma'am.
Okay.
Ready?
I can put it only in the chat box. In the screen is not possible, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
The
733-728-5228 is the number. You can message your district name to that number so that we will share the link of the respective district. So మీరు అందరూ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ గ్రూప్స్ లో జాయిన్ అవ్వాలి అండ్ లీవ్ ద మెయిన్ గ్రూప్ ఫస్ట్ ఏదైతే గ్రూప్ జాయిన్ అయ్యారో మెయిన్ గ్రూప్ ఆ గ్రూప్ ని మీరు లీవ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, సో అగైన్ we have class tomorrow and we have mock test. రేపు మాక్ టెస్ట్ ఉంది. డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ గ్రూప్ లో మనకి మెసేజ్ అనేది వస్తుంది, లింక్ వస్తుంది మాక్ టెస్ట్ రాయడానికి. సో ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ ఫెయిల్ టు రైట్ ఎగ్జామ్. మీరు మాక్ టెస్ట్ రాస్తేనే మీకు అలవాటు అవుతుంది. సో దట్ యు గెట్ ప్రిపేర్డ్ ఫర్ ది ఎగ్జామ్. ప్రాక్టీస్ అవుతుంది బాగా. ఓకే, సో జస్ట్ ఎ సెకండ్. Yes. Okay, students. Bye, everyone. Don't forget to write mock test tomorrow. Link will be shared in the groups. Subscribe to our channel, Jitadra Educational Technology. Bye, everyone.